tranvía está en movimiento.
You better slow down, you're gonna get in trouble. Hello. And Bubby sits over there. What's going on, guys? Morty Mouse in the house, and welcome back to Theme Park Brews. It's my birthday, and we're headed to the Magic Kingdom. I gotta get on the Haunted Mansion today. We're gonna go have some fun. I just completed one of my holiday wishes, of course, getting on the Haunted Mansion on my birthday, my favorite ride. Here we go, right behind me. Alright guys, so I want to say a couple things here on my birthday. Huge shout outs to everyone who contributed to our channel during this live stream on my birthday on July 7th. Thank you so much. I never expected that. It means the world. I mean, I can't express enough gratitude to you guys. Lots of love, lots of hugs. Thank you guys very, very much.
Mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños.
Alright guys, we had a lot of fun hanging out at the Magic Kingdom with all you guys via live stream. Now we're gonna go meet up with my parents at Art of Animation. I can't wait, I'm excited. Mom, Dad, I love you. See you in a bit. We're now at Art of Animation. Baby girl's asleep. Can't wait, I'm excited, never been in here. I see my family. I see my family. You better slow down. You're gonna get in trouble. Hello. What's up, babies? How you doing? Yeah, I know. Oh my God. What about me? You just skip me?
No, yep.
I just get skipped now?
No, my baby's first.
Come on. You're gonna get mustache wax on your face. What about me? What about me? Hey, but I miss you so much. You know I miss you guys. Everybody wanted to see the goose. I thought they were running towards me. They were running towards the baby. She just fell asleep. Let her sleep.
Come on, she'll wake up in a minute. I'll park on this side.
Yeah, straight ahead.
I like this.
Yeah, it's cool, huh? How y'all doing, my little bees? I miss you guys. Are y'all ready for some Disney World action? Yeah. Oh, that is cool. First impression, super cool. Really like this place. Pretty awesome.
People say, oh, it's too cartoony. It looks
That's
fake.
the point.
But it's like, if you're here where the kids gonna be at, the kids are the ones gonna enjoy it.
That's right, exactly. I love it.
I like it. I like it.
Me too.
The room's nice too.
Me too. Yep, you're right. Yeah. You like the room? Bella, you like the room, baby? Am I gonna be excited to see it? Yeah? Hayden, come here. Do you like the room? Yes. All right, what can I expect, guys?
Well, there's gonna be a bed, there's gonna be a table, and it has a hand bathroom, and it's gonna turn into a bed.
Do you have 3 bathrooms? Is that true? All right. If I don't see 3 bathrooms, then I'm gonna get you. Yeah. Rafiki. Say Rafiki. I used to be with these little guys almost every single day, and I miss them, and I'm happy to be hanging out with my family again. So excited. Woohoo! No smoking, Bubby. No smoking. Hear me?
Doesn't say what?
Is it dark? Or maybe you just can't see.
We can see.
Dun dun dun!
We got here, they put us in the room, at 12 o'clock they put us in the room.
Yeah, usually they'll put you in right away if they're open. And actually they're having historically low numbers right now, believe it or not. It's still packed, but just compared to previous years. We were at Magic Kingdom today, it wasn't packed at all. I think a lot of people already left from 4th. Righteous! Chubby's right here. Chubby's gonna check out this awesome room.
We got one bathroom.
You already got a mess, don't you?
Look at this. Shelby, we got one bathroom.
Whoa, I like those chairs, dude.
And that's
Thanks, bro.
Into a bed.
What?
Let me show you.
You're gonna show me? Okay. Thanks, guys, for showing me this. All right, make sure you move everything. Let me see. Let Grandpa show me. Grandpa's gonna pull the bed out.
I like how this stuff moves.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, Nemo and his dad. How cute. Oh. All right, who wants to show me the first bathroom? All right, guys, show it to me.
Hold on.
Yeah, one at a time. Cool, guys. Ooh, looks like we're in a boat. Fish are friends. Gonna check out the bathroom here. Well, somebody's already been in here. I like the colors. Oh, cool. I like this. That is awesome. Not food. All right, where are we going next, guys? This bathroom? We got little tour guides today. Well, first let's look at this room. Yeah.
They have doors right here.
Ooh, pretty.
TV where you can see all the stuff. We don't have 3 bathrooms, we have 2.
Let me see, Papa.
And look at this. You got an old hanger.
Whoa. Hangers.
And pillows.
Cool. Pillows.
And an iron and a secret.
And an iron.
Loose the way.
Very nice. I like this bathroom. Got a nice shower in here. I know where I'm taking a shower. Very nice.
Where's my
It might be unlimited as in just people not buying a cup.
Yeah.
Because they told us when we got the meal, they told us to get a drink.
Aww, look at them.
What's your name?
What mono does she have?
Why is she bringing
Hey guys, cheese! Cheese!
Haley would have it up, she would look up.
This is the first time we've been alone
In 38 years.
in 38 years. Hello? Yes! Alone time with my lady. About to go into the food court with there's a million people. Vacation hasn't started just yet. There's wine. Now the party's about to start. And we're gonna get some mussels marinara. There it is, mussels marinara. That's what we're gonna get right now. Looks pretty cool. Oh, there's some mussels. There's our plate right there. Thank you. Ooh. Oh yeah, vacation's about to start right now. For me at least, sorry baby. But we're gonna have a drink anyway, it's gonna be nice. Oh, that counts for you, just kidding. I look forward to trying these mussels. I need a cheers, my love. Cheers and a cross of arms.
Cheers to 75 years.
75 years of age.
That's pretty good.
I like it, it's perfect. Not too sweet, but has that little sweetness to it. This is Kenwood Vineyard, Sonoma County, Sauvignon Blanc, 2017. I know that's probably a little blurry right there, but that's okay, you got it. But yeah, Kenwood Vineyards, very good, very nice. All right, so I was eating this very mediocre mussel, but I just got a little whiff of good luck. I opened this bad boy up and there's 2 mussels in there. 2 for the price of 1. So I don't suggest getting mussels, which, you know, it's only 10 bucks. And a lot of people probably don't order it, so no telling how long these mussels have been there. So some are really good, some are not good at all. But I got the double mussel in here, that's so cool. Let me see if I can get a good shot of that. 1, 2, right there. Boom. Oh my god! Ah! Oops, we're about to have a hot alive right now.
Mark your fingers.
My mom don't drink, but she's about to try some champagne.
No, see?
Is it good, babe? Let me see.
You want to try it before
My mom.
I try it?
Oh yeah, I'll try it.
That's funny and
Yeah, it goes
Oh, that's good, babe. You like that? It's not too sweet.
it's strong to me. It tastes like alcohol that you put on your sword. very fizzy.
Yeah, it's fizzy. Oh, by the way, this is Bubby. He's playing Pokemon. There's Bella over there and Hayden with my little loose goose.
Lulu.
There's my sister. There's my mom's foot. And then my dad's knocked out, and it's hilarious. Oh, look at these girls dancing. Ooh, Belle, you are a good dancer, baby. Oh, look at these girls getting down. Bella, you look so cute. Good job. You're a good dancer. Teach Lucy, you're doing good.
Go, Lucy.
Look at them.
Go, Lucy.
Go, Bella.
Go,
Lucy. Go, Bella. Go, Lucy. Go, Bella. And Bubby's just over there on the floor. Hey! Yeah! And Bubby's rolling on the floor. Hey, Bubby.